So UWM over here still has several Mercury-Vapor lights in the atrium. They were actually planning on replacing them, and they actually had the entire area cordoned off for said replacements a while ago. And here you can see what they attempted to do. Here's a can light. They cut out the ceiling. I don't know if it's still in there. No, that is definitely not a Mercury. But as you can see, lots of Mercuries. Those are Mercury up there. We can drop the ISO dramatically. But as you can see, excuse me. As you can see, an absolute crap load of Mercuries just all over the ceiling. The ring lights, I believe, are turned off on some circuits because, I don't know, I guess just to replace them. But then you got a couple more here, which I can show in greater detail. Boom. They're all deluxe white. They are all deluxe white, every single one of them. I believe that the ones up top are 400 watt. These are probably 175 or 250. They do light the area quite nicely. It is a little green, just a little tiny bit, but yeah. Absolute crap load of Mercs. Just an absurd amount. Most of them are running right now. Actually, there's only one that's out. I can use that one as an example of how they look. We'll go back up for that, but yeah, tens and tens and tens of Mercs. There might even be 100 up there. Oh, whirring away, not knowing that these are, oh, excuse me, quite near the last days of existence, last days of service. There we are. One Mercury. Many Mercury. And then there's the atrium.